let's open this. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be really interesting. Since you already saw the title, it's a mystery box unboxing, and I'm so happy that I'm finally filming this video because I get to open the boxes. Definitely I'm going to keep the best for the last, so keep watching till the end. So this is a very different video that I'm doing right now. I thought why not treat myself with a mystery box, because I always love this idea of mystery box. It's like gifting yourself. I thought let's try this out in a video and let's see how this goes, and if you all like this video, I'll definitely do more videos like this in future. Yeah, keep watching and let me know in the comments if you like this video or not, right? So I have two mystery boxes with me. So this is the first mystery box. As you can see, I have already opened this cover, but I have not looked inside this. So as soon as I saw this name, I just closed it and kept it. So let's see what is inside. So this is from a brand Leoki. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. It's an Indian brand. So they are basically a clothing brand, and they also sell accessories. So they are, I think, specialized in corsets and very lovely, beautiful dresses. But actually they are not my style. Like even if I'm wearing a corset, I'll definitely wear something inside that. They also have this accessory section where you get bags. So while I was checking, I saw two mystery boxes in their website. One said that it had one accessory and a clothing piece, and the other mystery bag had only an accessory. Their clothing is not very my style, so that's why I chose the other accessory box. So this parcel, actually I had to go at the parcel office and get it. They were not offering home delivery. So this mystery box costed me $5.99, and this is the packet. And yeah, you can see the name. Okay, so it's a bag. Yeah, can you see it? It's a pretty bag, and it's a very neutral color, so it can go with so many outfits. It's a little bit mushed, so I think they have to provide see this here. This need to actually stay like this. So it's a very cool bag. I don't own anything like this. It's not staying properly, otherwise I like the bag. It has this beaded chain, and okay, so yeah, so I can see some defects here. Can you see it? Here the paint is actually coming off. I mean, it looks like it's an old stock and they wanted to get rid of it. Yeah, it definitely feels like that. Okay, so it is there everywhere. See? Okay, I'm not happy with this purchase. See here? It's everywhere. Like it is a old bag, and it is, even the buckle has scratches and everything. Okay. They do have a long chain. I really like that. Chain looks pretty good quality. Like inside there is no finishing at all. Like, can you see this? It does not look good. Yeah, these hooks, these are also not very good quality. I mean, not good. Like, I'm not happy with this. I was so excited for this, and now I'm okay, fine. I don't know if all of their accessory quality is like this, then I wouldn't recommend this brand. I'm also not sure if it's because it's a mystery box. They are just giving away whatever they want to get rid of. But still, that's not fair, right? So let's move on to the next box. It's a heavy box, so I'm really excited about it. So let's see what all we have got. Yeah, so this is the next box, and it's from the brand Confetti Gifts. And this is a heavy box. So yeah, I recently started following them on Instagram because I really like the idea. They are also an Indian brand, and they sell gift boxes mainly. They have gift boxes for like multiple occasions, like for Diwali, Rakhi, and you can also give personalized gift to your loved ones. I think that's the idea behind this brand, and I really like that. So I'm really hoping some good products in this. It was for 1390 rupees, and after some off I got it for 1376. Yeah, let's see if the box is worth the price. They don't show what all are there in this box, but they give options for your mystery box theme. So they have multiple themes to choose from, like love, cheerful, self-care, motivation, energizing, celebration, stress buster, calm, and peace. That are the themes that you can choose for your mystery box. So that's a good idea. So I chose the self-care box, and yeah, so let's see what's there. Yeah, let's open it together. I have not touched it. You guys know how difficult it is to wait to open a box like this. So this is how it looks. They have kept some cards. So there is this scratch card. I can scratch it and see if I get a discount. That's nice. This isn't a thank you card, it's a hug. Wow, so cute. So here's the box. Like, my expectations are very high right now. This is not sponsored by any of these brands. This is entirely my money and I'm spending it on myself. We used to cover those school books with a wrapper, right? Smells like that. Oh, this packaging, I love it so much. See how pretty. You guys get to see it first. I'm just opening right. What do you see? Okay. What's there? I can see 5 products already, and let's see what all are there. I'll take each one out and show you. First of all, we have a wooden comb, which is nice. I'll remind you guys, my theme was self-care. So let's see. Next product is this loofah. It's not very soft, but yeah, it's pretty good. I literally have 4 loafahs that I haven't touched. So these are cotton buds with bamboo stick. Okay, there are 80 buds in it. It's eco-friendly, which is good. So here are the buds. These are eco-friendly buds. If you use these kind of buds, I think you should switch from plastic to these bamboo ones. This is pretty heavy. Let's see. Lovely. It's a candle. Smells so good. I was actually looking for a candle. Thank God I didn't buy one because I got a really good candle. I'm sure that this is environment friendly by somehow. And yeah, this feels heavy as well. So this is bath salt. Smells really good and I love the packaging. How cute is this? I'll definitely not use this and I'll be keeping it aside as a showpiece. There are dried rose petals in it. So it has to be added in the water and you have to soak in for like 20 minutes and then shower. So I don't think I'm going to use this because I don't have a bathtub or anything like that, or a hot tub or anything. So I think in India it's very rare to have bathtubs. So I don't know how I'll use this, but it's a very nice product. So these were the products that I got from this mystery box. I think this is a very cute gift that you can give it to yourself, and I love the idea of mystery box and not many Indian brands are doing it. Hi guys, so while I was wrapping everything up, I saw this thing here in this confetti box. So I missed out on this. So I wanted to show you guys. So they have given instructions how to build this. So basically these are sections with which you can reuse the box they have given. Have to make this into a sectioning thing. So like this you can organize this box here and reuse it for your anything like skincare, makeup or anything. I really liked it because it's a very good way to reuse a box. But the thing is, this is like floating all around, and similarly this also, this doesn't fit properly. The products are floating around. I think since they are providing these things, I think they should have given it in a proper size. That would have made more sense. Yeah, otherwise I like the concept. It's really fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I have also planned a really cool video for the next video we are doing. I don't know when it will come out. That's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.